So super simple in terms of scatter plots and data here. This is new for us. Of course, this will be in Chapter 5 and Chapter 6 and Chapter 7, but pretty straightforward question here. I've given you a smallish data set and ask you to figure out the least square regression line that will model this data accurately to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab the calculator here and turn it on. And I don't know how much of this you want to see. Let me make this calculator smaller so more of it fits on the screen. I think that's mostly on screen there. So um, I carefully entered this data before I started this video. So if I hit stats and go to option 1 edit, I can see that I've got in list 1 I've got 0.79 and then 2.65 and then 3 and then 4.2, and in list 2 I've got 4.67, 6.7, 10 and 11.16. So these are serving as the XY pairs for this data. Every single one of these XY pairs is listed as a pair in my data list there. Now that the data is entered, I can quickly do a linear regression. I'm just going to hit stats and go over to calculate, and I want option number 4, linear regression. And when I do that, this generates the least square regression line that we talked about in class, right? So this has great properties. It's the line that kind of looks at all the data points and does the best job of fitting it if this is indeed a linear relationship. So as I look at this, the equation of that line would be y equals 1.97. So I'll write 1.97. Don't forget the times x. And then I've got plus 2.89 plus 2.89. And I love this. I can grab that. Nope, I can't do it. So this is the least squared regression line for this data.